In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart your hosting a server in just a few minutes. Whether you're troubleshooting or just need a fresh start, I'll guide you through this straightforward process with clarity and ease. First, you need to head over to Hostinger's website. This is your main gateway to access all the tools and services Hostinger offers. So, open your browser and type in their URL. Once you're there, you should see the option to log in at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click that. You'll need to enter your credentials, which could be your email and password, to access your Hostinger account. If you're having trouble logging in, make sure you're using the correct email or consider resetting your password. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, sometimes referred to as the H panel. This is the central hub for managing your hosting services. From the H panel, your next step is to locate and click on the Domains tab. This will provide you with a list of all the domains you're managing under your Hostinger account. It's essentially your control room for everything linked to your domains. Now that you're looking at all your domains, find the domain you wish to work with and click on Manage. This will bring up a dashboard specific to your selected domain, offering various management options. On this page, look for the option labeled DNS or name servers and click on it. This section is crucial because it houses all the DNS records associated with your domain, which ultimately guide the internet traffic to the right locations. Finally, within the DNS name servers section, there is an option labeled Reset DNS Records. Click on this and you'll typically see a prompt asking you to confirm the reset. Now, a word of caution, resetting your DNS records will erase any custom settings you have implemented, so ensure this is precisely what you want to do. Confirm the reset to proceed, and there you have it. You have successfully reset your Hostinger server's DNS records. This action helps refresh or rectify any issues that may have arisen from previous DNS configurations. It's a handy process for troubleshooting and comes in quite handy when you encounter persistent issues with domain, routing, or connectivity. If all went smoothly, you might want to check back in a little while to verify that everything has updated correctly. DNS changes can sometimes take a bit of time to propagate, so a little patience might be required. With these simple steps, you're now more equipped to manage and troubleshoot your hosting a server efficiently. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.